morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning. I'm starting off this vlog, getting back from the gym. My weekly vlogs are just kind of weird because we either have a lot going on or nothing at all at the same time. But I did want to show you my leg workout I created. I know I shouldn't do this as a personal trainer because I want you to buy my programs, but I gotta show you the goods. I mean, how will you not want me to coach you if you don't know what I'm giving? So, I created this leg workout today, guys, and I sweated more than I've ever sweat in my life. Like, it felt so good at the gym today. Oh, first world problems, kid. Okay. Charlie, what are you doing? What? What do you want? This is my stocked fridge with all of my... We have watermelon in the back, strawberries, blueberries, celery, grapes, all washed, ready to go. You want a piece of cheese? Okay. Okay, get up there. Get up there. My kids love cheese. Take your passy out when you talk. Okay, so this is the leg workout I created. So take a minute, pause this video, write this down. I did these first thing, and then I did a box squat, but I did it on a bench, like a, bench. And then jump squat on the edge of a bench as well. Went over and did, I jumped here and did hip thrust, and then I just used a dumbbell. So I used a 25-pound dumbbell for both of the, not the single leg. Single leg's a rough one after you've already done hip thrust. Anyways, yeah, so I did all of these, and yeah, it was a great workout, guys. So definitely pause this video, write this down, screenshot it with your phone, whatever you gotta do. What is up, YouTube? It is Monday, the start of the week, which I love. I love Sunday nights into Monday, especially now that I'm a stay-at-home mom, because I can, like, just start the day that I really want to, and the day that needs to be started. And obviously I get to raise my kids, but, I have my own business now that I'm starting up, and it's just such a blessing. I'm so blessed to start every Monday. I just want to show you today, we're just working, I'm just getting some work done, getting some playing outside, getting some workout library together so that way I can easily, okay, Grace, so I can easily, now you're playing kinetic sand, getting a workout library together so I can easily make programs for clients. I want it to be like, my exercise library is going to be so easy for everybody. Depending on what package you're going to get from me, you are going to get my exercise library, and it's just going to be like so easy, and that's all I want. I want it to be like just easy for everybody. Like, working out does not have to be hard, and I'm not going to make it hard for people. I want my clients to be so in love with their program. So, and it's going to be tailored to everybody and their specific needs. So yeah, just working on that, letting the kids play outside on this beautiful day. Come here, baby. Yes, kinetic sand. Yes, you're playing kinetic sand. Oh, baby. You's okay. Are you okay? Let me see. Oh, you's okay, I think. So far today, all I've done is break my fast with a perfect bar. You guys know I'm in love with these if you follow me on Instagram at all. They are so good. They are pretty high in fat, but it also keeps me full for a long time. Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday morning. I have a lot going on today, so I'm trying to get my butt up and going. Let's see here. I'm gonna get the handy scale out. I always weigh myself right here. Alright, so it's still 132.5. 133.8. See, this thing... $133.8. So what I have to say about the weight is, I weighed myself Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Wednesday, when I weighed myself, I weighed 132.5. I was remembering that. That's what that was. Today, I have to go market. Then I weighed 133.8. So I have gained a pound. All because I haven't drank my water. And I ate untracked last night. Which does not always happen. Usually when I eat untracked, I lose weight because my body needed more carbs. But I actually, like, did not track at all because it was such a crazy day food-wise. We had no groceries, so we had to eat out. Unfortunately, we chose places that were not the best options. So, I'm going to write this down here. 133.8. And then, yeah, 132.5. So, yeah, it is what it is. It's alright. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to use this extra fuel to do legs today. So, let's go do legs. I'm going to go get ready, do legs, and then we have St. Louis trip this weekend, which is going to be so fun. And I will use all that extra fuel to walk around and do everything. So, yeah. Oh, I had a few of... Okay, so I got these. I'm going to show you at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to show you this. But I got these Henry's hard sodas. They're only 88 calories, which is 22 carbs. And it's 4.2 alcohol, which is same as one of these. And they're really light. They're like the bubblies, but they have alcohol in it. So I got those to take with us to St. Louis this weekend. Because, I'm sorry, but when you go on vacations or getaway trips and things like that, you're going to enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, you're going to miss out on, like, you're going to miss out. I'm not saying you have to drink to enjoy. I haven't drank this entire prep. So I haven't had a drink. That was my first drink of alcohol in, like, 4 or 5 weeks. I'm not saying you have to drink to have fun, but it's a little getaway. My mom's going to be with us. The girls are going to be playing in the pool. We can go up to the room and relax and just enjoy conversation and things like that. So I'm going to have a couple of those Henry's hard sodas and enjoy myself. And I'm not going to regret it one bit because I'm going to come back on Monday after the weekend and use all of that extra fuel to have a good workout. But I will say this, make sure you drink your water. At least a gallon. If you're going to be drinking like that, it will dehydrate you. And that's why I have held on to all this water, because I'm dehydrated. And I had one of those drinks last night because I wanted to try it. So I'm going to go get ready. And then we're going to go to the gym and we're going to hit legs. And I'm going to try and film on my phone for you guys so I can put it on Instagram. And I can't guarantee it'll get done because our gym's really weird and crowded. And there's really no good spot for me just to like set my phone and film myself like I would love to. It'd be a really weird angle, and then people would also be like, are you filming me? Are you not? Like, and I don't want to like creep them out and be that weird person at the gym. But I'm gonna try. So let's hope no one's at the gym on a Friday, and let's go. Like a little. I haven't been taking very many progress pictures because I just haven't been. I don't know, busy I guess. But this is where we're at here. These pants are a little big, if you can tell. You can't. But they're just, they stick out just a little bit. Yeah, I don't, right here, they're just like, right here at my belly button. These are the medium in Fabletics. So, just a little, update. This is where I'm sitting, weight 133, 132, 133. Yeah, this is where we're at here. Turn, still, wide hips. And then we got, this, you know, it's just, this right here is my, all my loose skin from having the girls because they were so big. But, that's like my biggest insecurity part of it. But you know what? It is what it is. I grew 2 big babies. Yeah, and that's where the glutes are at. Now, arm, shoulder definition, I don't know if you can see it. I'll move it up maybe so that helps. yeah, so this is where we're at. With everything. Back. Yeah, so really not much else to see there. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna get my pre-workout cocktail ready to go. There's nothing on my floor. Yeah. I have like, I don't know, 16 ounces of water. And then I go for the blueberry. Been into the blueberry kick BCAAs. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not in love with all of these flavors. I'm just trying to get them used up so I can get some good stuff. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try Ghost BCAAs next. And then I'm going to do 2 scoops of my Vital Proteins, which gives me 20 grams of protein per serving. But it's my collagen, so it does all kinds of good things for me. So yep, I'm doing that. And then I always do 1 teaspoon of glutamine. I've had this stuff for literally ever. I need to get rid of it. I should not have kept it for this long, but it does what I need it to do. Helps with recovery, it helps with immune, all that good stuff. Because when you start working out again, if you noticed, I haven't, knock on wood, have not got sick this time. Every time I take a good long break from working out and then go start back up going at it again, like I did 6 weeks ago or so, I always get sick, always, but I haven't, so fingers crossed that stays good. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and, I guess I'm working out my rings today. Yeah, girls are dressed, I'm dressed, let's go. So, I was going to do legs today and decided against it. I went ahead and did upper body. Look at this, screenshot it, stop it, do whatever you gotta do. Yeah, it was a great upper body. And then I did 15 minutes of cardio, and now I'm gonna go home and get my protein shake because I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Alright, let's go eat. You don't have to tape just me, you can tape everything.
Oh, okay. I want, that.
Just don't drop it, okay?
Whoa.
Which one do you want to wear to the zoo?
Blue.
Cute. Look at this one.
Yeah, me want to wear it.
Tank top?
Huh?
Are you gonna film me? You wanna wear this one too?
Huh?
Those are tank tops. Those are cute.
Shawty wants a blue too.
Let's go on this side and look. Can we wear this one? Can we wear this
No, for Charlie.
It says my mom gives amazing hugs.
Yeah.
Can you guys wear the same one? No.
No.
Sitting here waiting for a lady to come pick up my baby monitor from me because I get rid of all the girls' baby stuff. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you some of the things I got when I was in Target real quick. For our trip this weekend for Mother's Day, we're going to St. Louis. So I grabbed this bag of goldfish, the resealable kind. So I can just throw this in the bag or the car or whatever we need. And then we got fruit snacks, which are a good snack. I wanted to show you these dresses. I got these dresses in the clearance. It's supposed to be like 55, 65 degrees. And at the zoo, it's going to be kind of windy and stuff. And I don't really want the girls like hot or cold. I want them to be comfortable. So I went ahead and got long sleeve dresses. Thought that would be good. And they can always wear a pair of like jean leggings under it if it is a little chilly. But yeah, so these are super cute. Simple Mother's Day dresses, and then I'll wear a navy blue and jeans to match them. And they were I paid less than $5 for both of these. Where's the receipt? I paid, yeah, $4.67 for those 2 dresses. Like, what a deal. I paid less than $5 for these total. Like, that's crazy to me. So I thought that'd be a perfect little Mother's Day dress. I was not pleased with any of their t-shirts they had. Target indicator, you need to step up your t-shirt game because my kids need some play t-shirts. But, yeah, so other than that, I'm just here waiting. We are off to St. Louis for Mother's Day weekend, right? No? Grace Lee, are we off to St. Louis? What are we going to do at St. Louis?
Sing that again.
We're going to what?
Sing that again.
I have no idea what you just said. We're going to go to the zoo and play and swim and have a bunch of fun, right? Yeah. Let's pile those over here.
Purple Monster.
Thank you.
Rain for myself.
Say that's not a very tall. Not a lot of people get to come in here.
Yeah, Gracely did it. I'm a dad, man. This is my dad bod. Toes and all.
They're so sexy.
Run, baby.
Fine.
It's the Kentucky Derby times 2.
Oh my god.
Domingo on the left, he's got the inside.
Gracely.
Oh,
Hold it up by the inside.
Domingo's
inner
gonna be
tube.
DQ'd because he's taking up more lanes. Keep going.
Hold up there. There you go. See, now you can hold it better.
Real love will get real lost again. Just run away with my time.
2 venti iced Americanos. What do you want? Yeah, you can get whatever you want.
I think I want to try that.
Okay. If you like dark coffee, you're gonna love this.
Yeah.
Jay didn't like it with the vanilla, but he doesn't really like it. He doesn't eat the flavor. So I think I'm gonna do Americano with vanilla flavoring.
And you want that ice this way?
No, I want hot, and I want venti. And can I get a small water, please? Good job.
This is like cherry drops.
Yeah, they're from Mommy's sore throat.
What?
Because Mommy had to stop and get some because my throat hurts. I got some drainage. I think I got it from you. I think this thing on your lip was a cold sore and it made you sick. And I got it. But I got you and Sissy these for the zoo.
Yeah, me can drink those. Hold it.
Huh?
Okay.
It was so nice of the Trader Joe guy.
Let me have that.
He probably did it because I bagged the groceries. He probably thought.
They're like a bouquet of, I mean, there's, yeah, it says $3.99 on it. Like, people buy them, but I didn't see them doing it for everybody.
No, I didn't either.
He bought them for you guys?
He gave them to us.
He went over and got him, and I saw him doing it, and I thought, is he doing
In
that?
1.1 miles.
Where's your bag?
Woo pig suey.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy sea.
Charlie, let's look at the butterflies, huh? Oh, look right there. It's so moist, it's so humid in here that it's making my camera fog up. Here they are. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Look here. It look like, Gracely, what does it look like?
Family, Mom.
Like a family.
This target.
Watch it go, Charlie.
Excellent job, Nick. So those flippers, pretty powerful stuff. Click.
Nice.
Oh, you meant the world to me. You kissed your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
I got a medicine ball because, of course, on Mother's Day, I'm going to be the one that gets a sore throat and drainage and all of that stuff. What do you think, you like it? What do you think?
I wanted to show you guys my quick little Trader Joe's haul. Everything's pretty self-explanatory, so I just thought I would give you a little bit of a rundown on what I got real quick, and yeah. Got some plants. They are all organic, and they were $1.99, so I had to get some of those. And from Ikea, I got this little rapid mixer and a towel rack for our bathroom because we had been needing that for sure.